So today I'm at Del Mar Heights School. Unfortunately, this school is currently vacant and our students and staff are at Ocean Air School and Del Mar Hills Academy as we work toward the rebuild of Del Mar Heights School. As you likely know, challenges to the project by a small group have delayed the start of construction. Construction which should have been completed prior to the start of this school year. Despite many attempts to delay, we have recently received the permits from the City of San Diego and are beginning the construction process today. We are very excited about recent progress that has been made toward getting construction started on this project. In October, approval of permits for the project were brought before the San Diego Planning Commission, and the Planning Commission unanimously approved the project, providing praise for the project and for the process used to design the rebuild. Unfortunately, the opponents appealed this decision to San Diego City Council, who heard the appeal on January 11th and unanimously denied the appeal and affirmed the Planning Commission's decision. We appreciate the leadership of Councilmember Joe LaCava, who represents the Del Mar Heights community where this school is located, in making the motion to deny the appeal. We are excited to get this project started, and we will be scheduling a groundbreaking ceremony soon. This is DMUSD, a great place to be.